Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create the public HTML folder in cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, the public HTML folder is where all of your HTML files, or in general, most, if not all of your server files, including the htaccess file, as well as other core files, are located for hosting your server. Now, it's accessed through the file manager, and you can very easily find the public HTML there if you already have it. And the full domain, or the full path, is home username, well, your username and public HTML, and this is what you need for your server to run properly. Now, of course, here you should need to publish the index.html page because that is needed for the site to run properly. But if you don't have the public HTML folder, that's not quite possible. Now, you could go to the file manager, go to the path, which is called your user. Just go into your username from home, and you should be where you need to go, and then you can click on the plus file here or plus folder here to add the public HTML. However, you can also generate it through a command line. You can easily just access the terminal for your Linux server, then mkdir, and just add this and fssa and the rest of this, and that should be pretty much it. Now, if your server is IIS, then you can use these commands over here, and that should be it. Now, as you can see, the chown command is used to make yourself or your user the owner of the public HTML file, and chmod 755 is the permission code which the public HTML folder, or that all folders within public HTML need to have. Public HTML needs to have 755, 750, or rather 750 is for the public HTML, 755 is for every folder inside, and the files within public HTML and its folders or subfolders are supposed to have either 755 or 644 to make it usable for the main user and not only for the root. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.